To be honest, the Windows 11 interface doesn't excite me, but fortunately we can customize Windows ourselves, and today we'll show you how to transform ordinary Windows into something elegant, with just a few clicks. No complex tweaks needed and zero performance impact. Let's go! To save you from running around the internet looking for materials, I already collected everything you need in one archive, which you can download from the link in the description. Extract the archive however you like. Let's start with transforming the desktop. You can choose any wallpaper, but I've prepared a small collection of landscapes. Today I recommend paying attention to the 15th image, it looks absolutely fire. If your desktop resembles a junk shop, just right-click, View, and then check Show Desktop Icons. Now open Personalization, the Colors section. Choose a theme based on your mood, light or dark, and don't forget to enable the transparency effect. For the lock screen, I suggested setting the same wallpaper as on your desktop, and in the taskbar keep widgets enabled, so to speak, for the full realization of the concept. Next, we'll install the Windhoek utility. This is a powerful toolkit for customizing Windows without performance loss. We'll need to apply several modifications. Let's start with Start Menu Styler. Activate the mod installation and navigate to the mods folder. Open the Start Menu text file and copy all the program code. Return to the application interface, go to the Advanced tab and Mod Settings. Replace the existing configuration with the copied one, and save. As a result, we got a truly modern look for the Start menu, which is more convenient, more functional and simply more pleasing to the eye. Next in line is the Taskbar Styler mod. The process is the same as with the Start menu. Install, copy the code from Notepad, paste it into the settings and save. Bam! And we have a beautiful modular taskbar, divided into widgets, the main block and tray buttons. To ensure the Notification Center doesn't stand out from the overall picture, we install Notification Center Styler and perform the same tricks as before. And voila, my friends! The end result is so beautiful it could be on a magazine cover. The mystery of the century, why Microsoft with its army of designers and coders can't produce similar customization functionality, which we just created in a couple of minutes with a free utility. Well, as a consolation bonus, I offer 2 more mods to fix Windows interface shortcomings. The first is Dark Mode Context Menus. In the settings, we choose for it to work only with the dark theme. This mod enables dark mode for classic application menus. For example, when I'm pretending to work hard on editing my videos in Premiere Pro, I much prefer when interface looks unified. The second mod is Resource Redirect, which updates system icons. The settings already have the most popular packs that can be found on the internet pre-installed, and you can check what they look like at this link. Personally, I choose Quixotic Night with its bright and clear icons. We press Save Settings, restart Explorer, and the system looks as if it just returned from a children's party. But I like it. Since we are on the topic of File Explorer, let's make it a bit more convenient. In the archive I have included special scripts for customizing Explorer. You can remove unnecessary and add what you need. Personally, I always remove the gallery, home and network buttons. I need them about as much as keys in summer. But it's worth adding the recycle bin to Explorer. It's quite convenient after all. Don't forget that changes are applied after starting Explorer. By the way, the useless grouping label in this PC window can be removed with just 2 clicks. And finally, how could I leave you without a stylish cursor? I've prepared Crystal Clear Aero for you, a transparent cursor that will perfectly complete today's customization. And for connoisseurs, the exclusive simplified that too. Installing a cursor is as simple as can be. Find the installation file, click on it and install. Then open the pointer's shortcut and select the installed cursor from the list. And you're done. That's all for now. Quite simple, concise and without clutter. I hope you enjoyed it, and in return you leave your subscription and like here. Good luck to you. Bye.